Hey guys, so since I wasn't able to meet with you guys yesterday, I wanted to do the practice assignment for you so that you have it to look at. So, um, with number one, it's already in slope-intercept form, so you can just go straight to graphing. We can pull m and b straight from the equation. So m is the number with x, so it's -9/2, and b is -5. So remember, b is where we start. And in this case, m is -9/2. So normally I would go down 9 and right 2, but I can't do that. So if I can't go down and right, I go backwards. I'm going to go up and left. So I'm going to go up 9 spaces and left 2 spaces. Now, since it is less than or equal to, that'll be a solid line. Okay, because there's a line under the symbol. And less than means that it is going to shade below. So this side would be below the line. Okay. For the next one, same thing. I can pull m and b straight out. So b is 3 and m is 1/5. So that means that I'm going to start at 3, and m is rise over run, so I go up 1, right 5, because it's positive, so up and right. And then I'm also going to go down and left. This one is just less than, since there's no line under it, I'm going to make a dotted line like that. And I will shade below because it's less than. So remember that this means that any point in the shaded region, if I plugged it into my inequality, it would make it true. Okay. So any point. All right. So that is when we have it already in slope-intercept form. So now I'm going to come down to these ones. So oh, gross, my cat just threw up. I'm just gonna have to get it. I'm just gonna, oh, gross. Oh my. I wish there was a way to pause it. Oh, gross. Okay, sorry. Let me just get through this. Okay, so I have to solve it. Oops. Solve it to put it in slope-intercept form. So remember that biscuit? No. Biscuit! That's 2 steps. So I'm going to subtract my x's. So I'll get -2y is less than -x plus 8, because those don't actually go together because one has an x and the other one doesn't. And then I need to divide everything by -2. So remember, when you divide by a negative, it makes your inequality symbol change direction. And if there's nothing in front of the x, it's like having a 1 there. So -1 divided by -2 is just going to be 1/2. And then 8 divided by -2 will give me -4. So I'm going to put y greater than 1/2 x minus 4. So that gives me my m and my b. So b is -4, m is 1/2. So that means I start at -4 and I go up 1 over 2. And I keep going all the way across with that pattern. Then I'm going to go down and left. It does not have a line under the symbol, so that is going to be a dotted line. And since it ends up being greater than, that will be above the line. So any of these points in the shaded region would make my inequality true. Hey, Nacho, are you feeling bad? Poor guy. Oh, you've got throw up on your fur. That's gross. Sorry. Whew, one more, and then I gotta deal with that cat stuff. Poor guy. Okay. So again, I need to solve this one. Oops. So x plus 4y is greater than or equal to negative 16. So I'm going to subtract x on both sides. And I will get 4y is greater than or equal to negative x minus 16. And then I have to divide everything by 4. So I get y is greater than or equal to, again, there's a 1 there. So it'll be negative 1/4 x minus 4. I don't change directions because I divided by a positive number, not a negative. Excuse me. So that changes my equation to y is greater than or equal to negative 1/4 x minus 4. So that gives me my m and my b. So I start at negative 4. Then, because my slope is negative 1/4, I go down 1 and right 4. And then I also want to go up and left. Because from with the negative slope, it should be going down from left to right. Since there is a line under the symbol, that is going to be a solid line. And it is greater than, so that means I shade everything above it, above the line. Okay, so again, sorry about my technical difficulties yesterday. Hopefully this helps. And I will see you guys next week.